Hi everyone, today I'm going to show you how to add a course to your existing VHL account. First, you're going to sign in with your school email and password. Click Login. Then you're going to enroll in a course. You guys are going to see pictures of books, but the pictures that you guys should see is AP Spanish or Temas. If you are in Miss Atchley's AP Spanish or Spanish Speakers 2 in her second, fourth, or sixth period, you are going to choose the AP Spanish book and then enroll again to choose the Temas book. If you are in Miss Atchley's third or fifth period in either Spanish 2 or Speakers 1, you are going to choose the Senderos 2 book. Once you have chosen the correct class, you guys will scroll all the way to the bottom. This is just an example. You guys will scroll all the way to the bottom and hit Enroll. And you guys should be able to see the correct textbooks, whether you're in her AP Spanish class, Spanish 2 class, whatever course you're in and whatever book you selected, you should see it in this site. Once you click in it, you should be able to access your work like before. And that's it.